Hi there, welcome to the Dayton Area Chamber of Commerce. I'm here with Holly Allen from the Chamber. We wanted to make sure that our business community knows that your Chamber of Commerce is open for business during this time of crisis throughout the country. We are staying open so we can continue to serve our members and react quickly to each individual need that our membership has. Holly Allen here has been running all of our communications with our business community and has been gathering some great information and data that is going to be really helpful to us as we're working with those that have resources for our business community. I'm going to ask Holly to run through some of that information with you here right now. Thanks.
Thank you, Chris. So I just wanted to update you, Chamber members. You should have received, if you are in business leadership, a survey Saturday morning. It was resent to those of you Monday morning if you hadn't responded. What we were looking for there is any changes to policies you've made in response to this pandemic, as well as what your needs are. The number one need we're hearing from members right now is access to lines of credit. I want to reiterate that SBA economic injury loans are available to you, and we are helping to expedite that process through the governor's office. So if you are a chamber member, if you need assistance in that way, go to DaytonChamber.org. There's the employer resource guide for this pandemic, and that has an email address for you to email not only the SBA if you want to start that process, but also include the chamber. DaytonChamber@dacc.org is the email address you want to send your needs to so that we can expedite that process through the governor's office. I also wanted to point out some of those results are coming in. 45% of you have in some way instituted a virtual work policy, whether that's partially or all of your employees. 41% of our respondents say they are allowing employees some shift flexibility if they need to for elder care, child care, or transportation reasons. And 34% of our respondents say that they are providing additional PTO time in case their employees would need additional sick time. So that gives you an idea of what our members are doing, and we're posting that information at DaytonChamber.org as soon as we get the latest. Chris?
That's great, thanks. It's important that you get any of this information to the Dayton Area Chamber of Commerce as soon as possible. We have a direct line to Governor DeWine's office and his staff that has state and federal resources available to them to help our businesses, but we need to know who you are. So if you can get that information to us as soon as possible, we will pass that information along to the governor's office and advocate on your behalf to get those resources freed up as soon as possible. We were just on a phone call with Senator Portman about an hour ago talking about additional federal resources that will also become available. So please get us that information. They are looking to the business community and the chambers of commerces to provide this information to them. So please send it to us so that we can ensure that our Dayton Chamber members and our business community is on that priority list with the governor and with our federal elected officials.
Absolutely. So that email address, DaytonChamber@dacc.org. We are keeping our resource guide up to date as much as possible at DaytonChamber.org, and we'll give you more updates on social media as well.
Thanks, everybody. Stay strong. We're going to get through this together. If anything, our business community is resilient, and we will get through this and come out even stronger on the other side. Thanks very much for tuning in.